This Caribbean style pasta salad is perfect for a summer's day and is a great choice for a side at any barbecue. It's super easy to make. I start by cooking down 2 cups of dry pasta with a pinch of salt as per instructions, and then I start to prepare my vegetables. So I've got about 1/4 of a medium red onion and I'm just going to dice this finely. I also chop up into small blocks 1 medium bell pepper across 2 different colours. Then I've got 1 spring onion stalk, and once again I'm just going to chop this up finely. Now to prepare the dressing. Now this is mostly a mayonnaise based dressing, and it's actually the mayonnaise based dressing and the choice of vegetables that we use that make this pasta Caribbean style compared to some of the other pasta salads that you may have eaten. Now get a big bowl and it's time to combine everything together. Start with your pasta, add in your vegetables, and then start to add in that dressing bit by bit and toss it all together. Continue doing this until you're happy with your pasta salad. Feel free to add more vegetables or more mayonnaise, whatever it takes to get the pasta salad to your liking. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.